Hello guys, welcome to another special sounds video. Please join me as we do all the ones that we've learned in this section, and I will teach you the new one at the end. Ready, begin. Ing in pointing, I-N-G. N in not, K-N. N in gnat, G-N. Ang in bang, A-N-G. Ing in king, I-N-G. Ong in long, O-N-G. Ung in strung, U-N-G. Ink in wink, I-N-K. Ank in bank, A-N-K. Onk in honk, O-N-K. Unk in trunk, U-N-K. Wa in wash, W-A. In adopt, A. E in baby, Y. O in little, L-E. Ed in wanted, E-D. T in looked, E-D. And the one we're going to learn today is another one that ends in ED as well, but instead of saying ed and t, it just says d. So listen carefully. D in played, E-D. D in played, E-D. Now, this one, as well as the other ones, it will start with a root word that means the word we start with, just like this word. This word is play. It's a word all by itself. But if you add that ed to the end, it makes it a word that happened in the past. So instead of I play with my toys, it is now I played with my toys. So that happened in the past. So what we're going to do is we're going to say it a couple more times, and then we're going to write out some words that have this special sound. Ready? Begin. D in played, E-D. Again, D in played, E-D. Nice work. Now let's go ahead and get out that piece of paper and pencil that we've been doing with all of these videos, and let's go ahead and write these new words down. Here's the first word. If you need to, pause the video and write this one down and circle the special sound you see. All right. Did you circle the ED at the end? If you did, nice job. Now let's sound it out. This one we know is a little bit different. Called, called, called. The original word is right here, the root word, call. But if we add the suffix ed, it makes it called. I called my friend on the phone yesterday. Called. Now you use the word called in a sentence. Good work. Let's do another word together. Write this one down and circle the special sound. And this time I want you to underline the root word as well. So circle the special sound and underline the root word. Here it is. Okay, is this what you did? Did you underline that root word? Let's sound it out. Fill, fill, fill. And then if we had the d sound at the end, filled, filled, filled. I filled the jar with cookies. Filled. Now you guys go ahead and use the word filled in a sentence. Nice work. Let's do another one together. Here's another word. Go ahead and pause the video and write this one down. All right. Did you underline that root word and circle the special sound? Let's check your work. Here is the root word here, and here is the suffix ed. Nice job. Now let's find out what this word says. Now we know when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking, and when it talks, it says its name. So let's sound it out. N-ale, nailed, nailed, nailed. I nailed a picture onto my wall in my room. Nailed. You go ahead and use the word nailed in a sentence. Good work. Let's go ahead and do one more together. Don't forget, the ed is tricky because it can say ed, t, or just d. So be very careful when you're reading the word that you remember the rules we've learned. Now, if you ever don't remember, you can always go back to the videos and rewatch them. Here's our last word. Please write this one down and circle the special sound you see and underline the root word. Remember, the root word is the word you start with. All right. Now that you've done that, let's check your work and see how you did. Is this what you did? Did you find that ed? If you did, great job. And this was the root word. So let's sound it out. We know that ay says a. So let's sound it out. Pray, pray, pray. Okay? Now let's add the d sound. Prayed, prayed, prayed. I prayed for you this morning, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Prayed. Now you guys go ahead and use the word prayed in a sentence. I love it. Well, great job with all of that work that we did learning that new sound. D in played, ed. And we will see you in our next video. And until then, bye-bye guys.